Bitcoin. Are you a hodler? You only live once? Did you buy Bitcoin 10 years ago, 5 years ago? It wouldn't have been 10 years ago. It hasn't been around that long, I don't think. How about 7 weeks ago? 7 weeks ago! And this is a 5-pack Bitcoin on a futures contract. You'd be up 35 grand if you had bought it at $40,000 a coin. That'd be pretty good. This, by the way, is Swing Machine. I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is Tuesday, September 7th at 4:28. Now, let's do something here. Let's have a little fun, because I understand that Bitcoin took a little bit of a dumper. And I know what you're thinking. I don't care. I'm a hodler. It's going to dip. It always comes back. It's going to be $100,000 a coin. Okay, maybe. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. What would have been wrong with hedging your HODL account with a futures account? What do you mean, bagger? Well, let's say you bought Bitcoin in an exchange that holds Bitcoin. And say you bought it, 5 coins, and you're up 35 grand in 7 weeks. Well, let's put Bitcoin in here again, and let's just look at some other intervals. Like, bear with me, how about the 240? Actually, no, let's look at the daily signal, right? Okay, so the daily is fine. You went long 29 days ago at just about a little better price than the weekly, so you still got your 35 grand. But what happened today at BTC? Let's put in half a day, and there's the 240. Well, the 240 is getting short right now. What does that mean? It means that the trend is headed down. By the way, Swing Machine does not use moving averages. Nope. It's a sophisticated algo and helps us to make our decisions. And how about if we wanted to watch this thing on an hourly basis? Oh, I see, bagger. Yes, today, the 7th, at 9 a.m., Bitcoin sold off. It said to get short at 51,105. Bagger, I don't want to sell my Bitcoins. Don't sell them. HODL them. I don't care. Hold on to them. Sleep with them. Snuggle. But for the love of Pete, short a futures contract 9 hours ago, and had you done that, you'd still have your Bitcoin, and you'd have captured the $20,000 in value. That's called hedging, folks. That's called trading. How about we do this? Let's go a little shorter. Do you want to see the, let's add some more blanks in here. What I mean by that is blank rows, so bear with me, because we'll put in some other time frames, because now you begin to think, hey, wait a minute. What if I traded? What if I was a trader and I did this, a few times a week? So let's put in a 5-minute chart. Are you kidding me? At 2:55 this morning, the early birds, the folks in Europe, they sold Bitcoin at 52,685, and they're up 28 grand. Are you kidding me, bagger? No, I'm not. And then the 3-minute. Now the 3-minute is pretty active, and it's trying to get long. In the end, as a trader, as an investor, you choose the market, you choose the interval, but you also decide on the amount of leverage and the amount of risk that you want to accept and not accept. That's up to you. But if you want to just pile into something and HODL, and you only live once, maybe you get away with it, maybe you don't. Maybe Bitcoin is turning to make that run to zero. You never know. Maybe it is. Wouldn't it be wise to hedge? Have your own hedge fund in a box? But you need to learn. You need to learn how to trade. The tools won't do you any good if you don't know how to use them. And to that extent, Stock Market Caddy, we offer you a 3-week plus. You sign up midweek, I'll give you the few extra days, but it's 3 weeks plus what we call the Q School. For $1,500. $1,500. How much did you lose today in Bitcoin? How about lost opportunity? Even more expensive. I'm Bagged on Stock Market Caddy, 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody.